Hello students, welcome to the class. This is class 5, Maths, chapter 3, large numbers up to 10 crores. Children, in class 4 you have studied numbers up to 10 lakh. Now in this class you will study number up to 10 crores. So that is 2 more digits. Now let us see the Indian place value chart. This chart you have to make in your notebook. Listen to me very carefully. This chart you have to make in your notebook. Now let us see the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So till here you have already studied. Now these are the 2 more digits now. Ones, tens, hundred lies in ones period. These 3 digits lie in ones period. Thousand, 10,000 lies in thousands period. Lakhs, 10 lakhs lies in lakhs period, and crore, 10 crore lies in crores period. So here ones period has 3 digits, thousand period has 2 digits, lakhs has 2 digits, and crores has 2 digits. So when we put commas, we put comma after every period. That is ones period, comma, thousands period, comma, lakhs period, comma, crores period, comma. Now let us see the exercise. Now this is exercise 3. Here is rewrite the following numbers using commas to separate the periods according to Indian place value chart. Here I have taken a number, that is 623974. Before putting commas or before writing the name, first of all what we have to do is we have to put the place value. So I have written this number again and I have put the place values: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Now we can easily see that this is ones period, this is thousands period, this is lakhs period. So ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, and then lakh. Now similarly you have to simply put commas in all the numbers by writing place values. I'll show you one more. Now here I have taken one more number, 705000038, and this is F1. Again I'll rewrite this number here, 705000038, and what I will do, I will put the place values of ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Now it is very simple to put the commas. It's ones period, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, crore, 10 crore. This is how you have to show these numbers in your notebooks. Now let us come to the next question. Now in the next question you have to write the following numbers in words. Now see, they have put in all the commas. You have to just read the number and write its name. Now how you are going to do it? I have taken this first number. Whenever you are supposed to put the commas, write the place values or write names, anything, first of all you have to do is you have to write the place values above the number. Let me write these: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now by writing place value you can easily name the number. Now what is the name of the number? Yeah, easily you can write it is 74 lakh 10,507. Now let me take one more number. Now here I have taken one more number, that is 2207085818. Similarly, first you will write all the place values: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Now by writing the place values you can easily name the number, that is 22 crore 7 lakh 8,518. This is how you have to write in your notebooks. Now in the next question, write the following numbers in figures. The names are given in words. You have to rewrite them in figures. Now let us see the first one, that is 92 lakh 5,055. How you will write the correct number? If you will write directly, you may write the wrong answer. I'll tell you how to write the correct answer. You can see 92 lakh 5,055. So it is up to lakh, or you can say 10 lakh. So let us first write the place values up to 10 lakh. ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now our number is 92 lakh. So 92 will come in the lakh period. 5,000, 5 will come under 1,000, and 55. 55 means tens and ones. The places which are vacant will be filling with zeros. So this is your correct number, 92,05,055. This is how you have to write in your notebook also. No direct answers. Now let us see some more. Let us see D1. 12 crore 10 lakh 365. It is up to crore, or you can say 10 crore. So let us write the place values up to 10 crores. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So your number is 12 crores. So 12 will come in crore period. 10 lakh, 10 will come in lakh period. 300 and 65 will come in tens and ones. So here two places are remaining, so we will fill it with zeros. So this is how we are going to write the number 12,10,365. Let us see one more. This J1. Let us see this J1. 10 crore 10,011. Again, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So number is 10 crore. So let us write 10 in the crore period, 10,000, 10 in the thousand period, and 11 in the tens and ones place. So rest of the places are to be filled with the zeros. So this is the required number. This is how you have to frame the numbers. No direct answers, otherwise you will miss all the zeros and you will wrong answer. Now let us see question number 4, that is using Indian place value system. Write the place numeral 641970528. So how you have to do it in notebook? See, you have to make a table like digit and place value. 6419758. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So 6 lies in the crores period. Sorry, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore. So what you have to do is you have to make a table like this, like digit and its place value, digit and its place value, like this you have to write. And if we put plus in between these place, comes an expanded form like this. Now in question number 6 you have to write it in expanded form like this by putting the place values and putting plus, and here you have to write in standard form. That means you have to add these. You can calculate the place values and write it in short form. Here question 8, 9, 10 are skip counting, means counting in thousand, counting in lakhs. All this you have done in class 4th also. 10th one I'll do it for you. You have to counting in crores, write numbers from 16 crore 30 lakh 57,000 this to this. Now how you do this? See, first you put the place values on the top of the number which you have to count. Always do like this. And here we can see crores place, so we have to count by crores, so we will be changing crores place. So it is 163057,500. The next will be, we have to change 6, then it will go to 7, then 8, then 9, then 0, means after 19 20 21, then last number 22. This is how simply you can reach to the final number. Now here these patterns you have to fill in the book only. Write the smallest 9-digit number and largest 8-digit number. This you can write on your own. And what comes just after and what comes just before. For after you will do +1, and for before you will do -1, and you will write the number. This is how you are going to complete this exercise number 3. Now here look at exercise number 4. Now this question is to be done in the book only, greater lesser. I hope there is no need to explain. You can do it on your own. And this is a descending order, this is ascending order. Descending means greater to smaller and ascending means smaller to greater. These two questions are to be done in the notebook. Question number 2 and 3 are to be done in the notebook. Question 1 is to be done in book only, and question number 4 is to be done in book only. It is encircling the largest number. So which questions you are going to do in the notebook? Only question number 2 and question number 3 you are going to do in the notebook. Okay, so and I hope you can arrange in ascending descending order on your own.